Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel guys. So I'm here again to show you how to fix the electrolux washing machine handle. So this one I gonna show you how to fix it. Mostly this one, if damaged already, you can do by yourself, no need to call anyone. So you no need to call the electrolux washing machine company. Normally this one we can do ourselves. So this one I will try. So this handle is already damaged, so I want to fix a new one. This is the handle. So this one, mostly this washing machine electrolux, yes, they are using for homestay. This one is always damaged the handle. So this one, how to fix it? So normally this washing machine is got instruction how to open. Okay, I'm gonna show you. If this one want to open, it's like this example. I want to on, right? This is the on, this is start. After I off, you have to wait the sounds one before you open. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so now how to open it? If the washing machine already done washing, so we have to wait sounds 10 minutes first before you open. Alright, so we try. Okay, right, you can hear the sound. So this is the time you want to open. Okay, but now it's already damaged, so I have to use the knife for open it. So I want to open. Okay, so now can open. If you never hear the sound, so totally cannot open. I use this one because already damaged the handle. So this is the handle, the new one. This one is expensive. It's about 45 ringgit in Malaysia. So this one is expensive. It's difficult to order also. So this one I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Alright, see you guys. So now guys, we want to show you how to change the handle, right? So you open. Okay. Ayun, already damaged. Okay, for this screw, we have to use the star screw. Star screw, right? Okay. So now this is the cover of the washing machine. So we have to use this screwdriver. Is the star screw. This screw got the sizes, so we have to choose the sizes which one can fix. So you have to take out all the screw. We have to remove all the screw. Okay. After we take out the screw, so we have to do is we have to take out this thing, this cover. Okay, but you have to remove it slowly. So we have to use the knife that very sharp on here. So that's why we can take out the cover. Okay, now it's already take out. Okay, so there is the thing inside. So this one. So take out already the cover. Alright. So this is the handle. So have to remove. Okay. So already take out. So this is the one. So we have to remove this. Okay. We have to remove this. Okay. After that, have to remove this thing. Okay. This one. So this one must be leave it like this. Okay. After that, we have to open this. So this is the one. Okay. Then after that, you have to try first. Okay. Okay guys, hello. So this one, this is the thing to lock the door. So you have to put in here. Okay, you can see this. Must be like this, not upside down. You see the pin? So have to go in, right? Like this. Then we have to put this thing to put in here. Okay, after that, go in. Okay, in. Alright, so already fixed. Okay, already fixed like this. Okay, so now this is the handle now. So you have to put in here. Okay, then you put in. Okay. So now alright, so now we try to put in here. Okay. So make sure this one must be put back properly. Okay. Right, so done the handle. Okay, so you can see. So now the last one is we have to lock all the things that we have to take out. So now we have to lock everything. Alright guys, done everything. So now it's already okay. Okay, now okay, good. So can open now. Right. Thanks for watching. So is this one is if you learn how to do it, so you can do by yourself. Thanks for watching guys. So this one from Electrolux washing machine handle, how to fix it. Thanks, bye.